I'm doing like the math thing where it's like how many minutes more minutes can I stay in bed? Hi everyone, I'm Courtney and I'm a marketing strategist at Lush. And I'm gonna walk you through my 10-minute morning routine because I'm all about that snooze, jump up, run around and get out the door kind of life. So I quickly grab Buffy, which is amazing because it's also a 2-in-1. So it's an exfoliant and also a moisturizer. So I just rub it all over my body super quick and then hop out of the shower. My skin is just glowing, no lotion necessary, I'm good to go. So once I get out of the shower, I grab R&B hair moisturizer, which I love because it smells like, just fresh. Like, oh my gosh, so fresh. But what I do love about this styling product is I can just grab a little bit, I throw it in my hair, I can either toss it around or kind of like make it a bit more sleek, and I can leave the house with my wet hair and it'll hold however I want it for the rest of the day. So even when I'm running around, one thing that I try not to forget is my deodorant. So I really love Aromaco. It's got some great natural ingredients like witch hazel and chamomile, which keep the odor at bay while also keeping my skin feeling really soft. There's no packaging, so it's great for traveling. There's no waste. Just throw it in your bag, and then once you're done with it, you're done with it. Next up is makeup in the fastest way possible. So first I grabbed the Feeling Younger Skin Tint, which I just quickly applied above my cheekbones and above my brows, and I've got a glow that's good to go for the whole day. And then after that, I grabbed the Eyes Right mascara. I do a few swipes, and what I love about this is it really gives me that natural look, that look like I didn't try too hard, and when I only have 10 minutes in the morning, believe me when I say I'm not trying that hard. Next up, I grab Love perfume for a little spritz, which I love because if I've neglected any other steps, I will convince people that I have not. And I have 3 words for you: caramel apple scent. So my last step is I throw Creme de Menthe mouthwash tabs in my bag. I find that I'm always in back-to-back meetings and drinking a lot of coffee, so these are really perfect to keep me fresh when I'm having a busy day. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really hope that you enjoyed my 10-minute routine. I'd really love to know more about how you get ready in the morning and how you make your regimes quick and easy. Leave your tips and tricks in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. Ain't nobody got more time than that.